I've actually never shown you before. It's called Wasted, and I got my snack. Check. I look good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Sarah. Hello, nice to see you, nice to meet you, I guess. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be showing you guys something I've actually never shown you before, which is my room, which I'm in right now, as you can maybe tell. I've never shown you guys this before. Basically, I really like my room, but it's like pretty messy all the time. Kind of like since this social isolating thing has been going on, I'm kind of realizing how much stuff I have and that I need to do a big, deep clean. So that's what I'm gonna be filming, you guys. So I'm just gonna, I thought this might be satisfying. I don't know, I think some people like to watch cleaning videos. I think it's really cool to see like the before when it's like ugly, like kind of ugly, and then the after where it looks really nice. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So I'm gonna give you like a little tour of my room. Don't judge me. It is, I'm not hiding anything here. Like it's a little bit crazy, and I'm gonna slowly like deep clean it and just like get rid of stuff, because I think I have stuff here from high school or even before that. So yeah, it's a lot. Okay, so you guys ready for the little tour of my room? I guess like it's like MTV Cribs, welcome to my house. Let's start at the beginning when we walk in. Here is what you see when you close the door of my room. It's a Fleetwood Mac poster, and then you come over here. So like first glance, guys, it doesn't look that bad, right? Like here's a little glance. Here's like my study area. There's laundry that I need to do, and then some clothes hanging up. So it doesn't look horrible, right? But wait, let me show you deeper in and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so my desk looks kind of fine, kind of got stuff everywhere. I have like papers, papers there. The drawers are where it gets crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what all that stuff is. This is like pens kind of, but it just looks crazy, you know? Like I want stuff to look good. My backpack, which I'm not even using because I don't go to school, I'm in online classes. This kind of has like some school stuff. I don't even really know. You guys, like this is, I have issues. Over here, I have a credit card that a bank sent me I don't even really want. I have some alcohol. I have literally so many books from like school that I cannot sell. So people, if you want a textbook, hit me up and you can buy it for me, okay? Calendar. My closet, like can we even open my closet? Oh my god, so you can't even really, here's a little bit what it looks like. I have like sweaters stacked all the way up there. My grandma made me this toilet paper holder. Don't try to steal my toilet paper, people, okay? Okay, so as you can see, we can barely open this, so that's an issue. My bed is not, it's like not horrible. There's Scout sleeping. Random stuff, like I painted this. I don't even really want this. A box I got for my birthday. My longboard, if you've seen my video. Weights. My dresser. So I actually, for the most part, I do like a good job of like cleaning up my dresser and like giving away clothes when I need to. So that's like okay, like honestly, like it needs to maybe be like touched up a little bit, maybe cleaned up, but for the most part I do pretty good at that. Something I don't do very well at is this is my makeup drawer. As you can see, like it doesn't even close, and that is my makeup drawer. Yeah, I know, it's insane. This is the top of my dresser. I have so much stuff. I think I have like a layer of dust on here too, so that's looking well. Then we come over here. Like honestly, I feel like I seem like a hoarder. My room is like pretty small for the amount of stuff I have. Okay, over here, random clothes and bras that don't fit anywhere. I got that for Christmas. These are like a bunch of like gifts and stuff that I just like, some of it I'm not using at the moment, or I am using it but I need somewhere to put it. Oh my god. So here's just like drawers of like, this one kind of has like purses. This one, I don't even know. It has like random like picture frame and like some kind of like electronic stuff, but it's a mess, you know? Like, I just can't find anything. This is probably stressing some people out how messy this is. Sorry about that. And like I said, this area, like, you can't even walk over here or vacuum. These are balloons from my birthday, which is in November and it's March. So sometimes I just feel bad getting rid of stuff, you know? I don't know, like, I have an issue. I have an issue, guys. Okay. The next part is under my bed, but I feel like everyone has a crazy under bed. So under my bed is basically like old school stuff that I like give to people like when they need like notes and stuff, so I kind of like need it. Looks like I have like a, what's this, an animal. This is part of my dresser that broke off. It broke off because I had too many clothes in there. So yeah, this is like many years of stuff in the making that I just really need to get a grip on. So I think this is gonna take me a while, like days or weeks, because I'm also still in classes and I want to like study, so I have to. So I think for today, right now, I'm going to try to address this, because when I'm studying, I want it to just to like look nice, and I'm gonna do my laundry. That's clean laundry, I just need to fold it. Okay, sorry I just talked for 8 hours, but that was like the tour of my room. And let's get a little time lapse going here. You guys, look what I just found. These are all my student cards from high school. Grade 9 to 12. Look at me. You see? This is grade 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. I look nothing like my grade 12 picture, I feel like. That's so cool. I'm definitely keeping these. Here's what I did. Things over there, computer, and then just a few things over there. I think the simpler the better, right? That's what I ended up doing, and then this is like the aftermath of stuff I need to figure out where to put. A lot of dusting. You guys will see that in the, well, you probably have seen that in like the, what is it called? Oh my god, I'm tired. Time lapse. You saw that in the time lapse. I dusted the crap out of this thing. I had a lot of dust on it, but I really like how this looks, you know? Simple. Honestly, less is better. It looks cute. And then I'll just try to keep it that way. Anyways, it's, oh my god, it's almost 1, so I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed, and then we'll continue with this series later. Bye guys. Good night. Hey you guys, welcome back for part 2. It's a few days later. I didn't have time to do any other cleaning, but tonight I said I'm just gonna do it, and I'm gonna watch a documentary while I do it actually. So it's called Wasted, and I have to watch it and then answer some questions. And I'm actually on FaceTime with my friend Patricia, so she's just here. We're pretending that we're like studying together, kind of like we did at Defoe. So we both muted each other, so I can't hear her, she can't hear me, but she's right there studying, as you can see. She's studying. So then that's my She's looking over. So my documentary is gonna be right there, and what I'm tackling today is this. So inside my drawer, there's a lot going on. So I guess I'll just get started. I think, excuse me, I think I'm just going to start taking everything out, clean it out, and then I'll just like throw stuff away that I'm not gonna be using or need anymore. So let's get started. Y'all, it's been about 45 minutes. That's how far I'm into my documentary, and I think I'm done. I actually did a pretty good job. I'm still here with Patricia. She's still hanging out over there. So I'll show you what I did. I'll give you a little explanation. So it still looks pretty messy. Like honestly, over here has some stickers. Back here is my old charger, headphones that I still use. This is my adapter for my computer because you literally can't plug anything into here. In here, this box has just some like chargers and extra stuff. This is a charger for the camera. A pair of sunglasses I wear in the summer. These are old cases I didn't want to get rid of, and also look at this. This is an iPod, guys. Look how little that is. How can I give you a good comparison? Like, look how ancient this thing is. Keeping that for the memes. Some cases that I really like I'm keeping. Here's just some pictures, Polaroids that I should probably get like a little book for. These are extra Fitbit bands. This is like my checkbook, and then so I can deposit checks. Here are just some notepads and my tickets from Thailand actually, which is really cool memories. Yeah, it's kind of just like stuff I really want to keep in there. It's kind of the overview. I think I need like separators to make it look cuter, but it no doubt looks way less crazy. Here is the aftermath pile because that always happens. So this pile is paper that I'm going to recycle, and then these are old phone cases and stuff. Like, remember guys, TNA, I don't even know, like this is in really good condition, so maybe I can sell it. I don't know if anyone would buy that. Here's some stuff in the garbage over there, and then I'm just gonna put this stuff other places. But yeah, I'd say that was a success. Good job me. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Still, if you're still watching this, I don't know how long this video will be, but catch you next time. Alright y'all, you know what time it is. It's cleaning time. Got my snack. Check. Apples and cheese. And got some Netflix. This is the thing we are tackling today. Let's get it. As you might have been able to tell, I gave you a very nice display of all my textbooks I have. If you guys want any, hit me up. JK, I didn't actually do that on purpose. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal. So I actually did this a lot faster than I thought I was gonna do it. So I'll tell you what I did because I actually really like it. So over here I have a little box, and right here that is Kanye West. Yes, Carlos got that for me. It's Kanye West but in a bear form. So in here I have some alcohol, you know, my little stash. A purse I have, and then my Ciroc crown, Queen of Ciroc. Okay, so that is what's happening in there. And then over here, oh my god, I vacuumed and I organized, and you guys, this is the first time I've been able to fully open my closet. Look at this. Fully open, and now you can see the disaster that's happening in there. So we'll close that again. So these are all my organized textbooks, some that I'm still kind of finishing up school with. And then here I put this card that Carlos made for me for Valentine's Day. It is a massive card. Put it on the wall. And there's some Kanye West right there. So I'm pretty proud of it. And I hope this is motivating you guys to clean, because like this is really fun. It also like makes me out of breath. Like it's like I'm like moving stuff around, and then I'm like, it's like kind of a workout. So yes, that's day 3, day 4 of cleaning. I don't really know. Hey guys, welcome back for part 4. I'm excited because I finished my paper, and it's my reward that I get to film a little bit and clean more. I guess it's a reward. I really like to film videos, so I guess it's a reward. Today what we're going to be doing is this top of my dresser. Yeah, as you can tell, needs a little bit of love. So I'm gonna get started on that. Enjoy! I finished cleaning it off. What do you guys think about these? I bought these for Italy. Kind of just for taking pictures, like, you know, if I had like a good outfit. But yeah, I look good. Okay. Down here is my keepsies. Here's my throwawaysies / donatees. Okay, you guys, I'm officially done the top of my dresser. I'm so proud of myself. Like, it looks way better. Right here I have my hair stuff that I use, deodorants. Back there are perfumes, and this is like face stuff I use, so face oil, lotion, and as well as like moisturizer, so I use Aveeno. Right over here I have earrings, in there rings, and then those are my necklaces and bracelets. And here is actually my KKW fragrance box, if you can see what it says on top. And here I have, it's just some perfumes that I could fit in here. I'm obsessed with perfume, so this is actually Kim Kardashian's perfume right here. Well, this is the Crystal Gardenia, and it literally smells amazing. So you should honestly buy Kim Kardashian's perfume because it's actually really good. So yeah, thanks for watching again, part 4. Peace out, guys.